Selecting ingredients for food formulations, how to get started by SFPM Consulting. Hello, fellow food enthusiasts and aspiring chefs. Today, we're embarking on a creative journey, selecting ingredients for food formulations. I'm Felicia Loo and I'm excited to share essential insights. Let's start this flavorful adventure. Selecting ingredients for food formulations is where the magic begins. It all starts with a clear vision. What type of dish or product are you looking to create? Define your goals and audience. Research is your best friend. Explore the market to understand ingredient trends, availability, and pricing. This knowledge will help you make informed choices. Consider the quality and safety of ingredients. Ensure they meet regulatory standards and follow food safety guidelines. It's a crucial step in building trust with your customers. Now, it's time to experiment. Create small batches to test your formulations. Taste, adjust, and refine your recipes until they meet your desired flavor and texture. If you found these insights valuable, please hit that like button and subscribe for more food safety and business growth tips. Need personalized guidance on ingredient selection and recipe creation? Give us a call at 1-236-513-2488.